What's going on everybody? This is your host Manik and I welcome you all to yet another video on this channel. So as you guys already know, this OnePlus 8T got the latest 11.0.3.4 update and I shared the changes it brings to this latest flagship device in my previous video. So in case you missed out on that, I'll leave a card at the end of this video and you can have a look at that later. But for now, let's dive deeper and find out if you should update your device to this latest version or not. And if you haven't got the OT update, then go ahead and check the system update in settings. And if the update is available for you, just download it. Else, you can use Oxygen Updater application from the Google Play Store. And I have explained all the process already in the previous video. So go ahead and watch it after this one. Anyways, so starting off with the major issues you guys were facing. So first of all, that battery drain has improved quite a lot after this update. And I am getting around 1 to 2% drain max with Wi-Fi on overnight, which is quite better than before, and that too with AOD set to always on. The screen on time on 120Hz has definitely increased to almost 6 to 7 hours, up from 5 hours earlier, and it has been consistent over the last 3 days or so, which is great, as even on Amazon there are many reviews focusing on the same. So that issue has been fixed for the most part. The heat up is also well managed now and the device did not get warm in day-to-day tasks. And even while charging, I felt that the heat up has been reduced to quite an extent. One tiny issue I observed is with Google Dialer app. So I was unable to pick up the call or even reject it. And I'm not really sure if this update is at fault or Google Phone is. But I did uninstall all the updates of Google Phone app and after that everything is working fine. So coming to the overall performance, the Geekbench scores with this update have reduced slightly. And it went down to 890 in single core and 3129 in multi-core department, and that is not a major concern as the overall performance was snappy and there was no lag as such with any of the application, as the device has enough RAM and performance boost because of Snapdragon 865. Coming to the camera part, and I don't see much improvement in this section. The back camera is still the same and the images look good overall, though there is not much improvement in the images from front facing camera and it still needs some work. Rest, there were no major issues in particular that I faced throughout all this time, and if you face that Google Dialer issue, feel free to uninstall updates of Dialer app as shown above and you will be good to go. And that's it for now. These are all the changes you get with this latest update for OnePlus 8T, and overall it is quite stable. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and like this video if it helps you out. So I'll see you in the next one.